Everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a candle and turn it into wax melts. So first we're going to take the candle and put it down into a pan of water and turn it on high to boil. Depending on the candle brand and size, it may take longer or shorter. Mine took about an hour and a half. So now you can see it is completely liquid and we are going to take it off the stove. I have set 2 ice trays out on the bar. I wasn't sure how many it would take, so I just went ahead and put 2 out. My ice trays have the silicone bottom, so they're easier to pop them in and out when they're done. Okay, so here are the ice trays. I'm just going to take the liquefied candle and I'm going to pour it into this ice tray. It ended up only taking 1. And you can see it makes a little bit of a mess. It has overspill onto the other ice tray. It's overspilled onto the bar. But when you let it dry, it just pops right off the bar. And if you have any problems, you can just take a ice cube and it pops right off. So I'm just kind of adjusting it around to make sure they're all filled evenly. And then I'll get rid of this one. And here's a look. I let them set for about an hour and a half. And they are completely hardened. Just kind of depend on what you think. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop them out. And I will have my wax melts. So here's a look at what they look like once they're done. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please let me know if you try and what scent is your favorite scent. Thank you guys for watching so much and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.